Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials out of the way, enable developer options now, and turn on USB debugging if you plan to sideload. Once done, update system and apps over Wi-Fi while charging. This reduces interruptions and patches security holes. Next, make sure your Google account is signed in and auto backup is enabled, so settings and app data recover smoothly. Finally, register a second factor, authenticator or phone, because secure access prevents lockouts later. Now you refine behavior for daily use. Start by customizing notifications, prioritize essential apps, configure channels, and create do not disturb schedules so interruptions occur only when needed. Then optimize battery and performance. Enable adaptive battery, restrict background activity for power-hungry apps, and use dark theme to save energy on OLED screens. After that, set up automation with built-in routines or shortcuts to chain actions. For example, switch to silent and open maps when driving, because repeatability saves time and reduces cognitive load. Finish by locking down and maintaining your device. Set a strong screen lock plus biometrics, confirm device encryption, and audit app permissions regularly so apps only access what they need. Schedule weekly or monthly maintenance. Clear cache for sluggish apps, manage storage, and run updates on a stable Wi-Fi connection. If things go wrong, try safe mode to isolate a misbehaving app. If that fails, clear that app's data, and only then perform a factory reset as a last resort. Because resets.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.